Testing, testing. Testing, testing. Okay, let's see what we have here. Oh, I have somebody on the chats already. Awesome. So this was a very nice trade we took this morning during agent session. Pretty much secured everything down over here at 1761.50 right over here. Yeah, I just didn't feel like holding trades a little bit lower, so thank you. So yeah, man, you bring the wipes, huh? Oh shit. Sorry guys. Okay, very very nice trade we took this morning. For London session, we're gonna start off with fresh. We're gonna start off with fresh analysis for London session. So let's just clear everything out. Let's just clear everything out. We're a little bit late on the streams, but it's fine. It's better late than never. Didn't see any moves earlier. I mean, happening earlier. So let's see how it plays out. So looking at the daily time frame, this daily candle could potentially flip bullish, break above the previous daily candle. Friday's daily candle high and continue this bullish momentum. We have this current forward candle bullish, pushing bullish. Yeah. This four candle, the previous four candle closed nicely bearish. This current four candle has the potential of retesting the highs at this point at 1767. So we'll see. We'll see how that plays out. Yeah. As for entries on the lower time frames, looking at the 1 hour time frame, uh, let's just focus on the 1 hour time frame for now. So this we have London opening up in the next 15 minutes. We seem to have a oopsie doopsie. Let's just put my face over there. Okay, looking at the 1 hour time frame, we have a series of minor bearish structure happening right over here. We have a series of lower highs forming over here, and then a series of lower lows forming over here. So, if this is a new low forming, then we could potentially anticipate this bullish push coming up over here to form potentially another higher low at this point for price to potentially drop down. But we don't have any confirmations yet, and we're approaching a series of resistance areas. Um, we have resistance at 1765. We also have all these minor resistance over here, but a major one at 1767, right above there. This is not an ideal range to be taking a trade in. But let's just look to the left on the forward time frame and see where we could potentially go if we exceed 1767. So if we exceed 1767, we could potentially come out to 1771 or 1770 even. So if we get some bullish plays, we could potentially come out to this level right over here, 1771. Right now, we have nothing at the moment. Oh, sorry, this is the 1 hour time frame, yeah. Yeah. Right now, we have nothing at the moment. Looking at the 30-minute time frame. Oh, man. think we have missed a move right over here on the 30-minute time frame. This would have been a very nice move. Yeah, at this point, I think we definitely would have missed the I think we definitely missed the move at this point. I think we just need to see how price reacts to this resistance level at 765 right over here. Just have to wait and see. Okay, there we go. Um, yeah. Yeah, looking at the 1 hour time frame. Hi Popo. Yes, I'm feeling a whole lot better now compared to last week. Um, yeah, feeling I'm feeling a lot better than last week, to be honest. Thank you for tuning into the streams. I thought you were on during aging session this morning, but you weren't. It's okay. I'm really looking at goal sales for this session. How are you, Popo? How are you? So we're meeting on the streams. I didn't have lunch, so I'm eating while trading. My bad. Oh, you had a lot of sun this weekend. Oh, that's nice. It's been cold on our end. It's freezing. It's freezing. Yeah. Hence, that's why I got this stupid flu that I'm slowly doing away with. Are you on the chest right now, Popo? Yeah. Looking at gold cells. Yeah, you're right about that. Not in a trade, but looking at gold and GJ. Yeah, that's what we all doing. I'm really looking to see if price can pop up a little bit, grab some liquidity, come back down, and then I'm gonna look to enter sales at that point. We just need price to close below 1763, 535, or either that or come up to retest 1764 again. Definitely gonna create a support level here. Now we have the new channel opening now. It's pushing bearish at the moment. I think I'm gonna wait for it to do a better top wick and then probably enter on the flip. Really gonna anticipate it to retest the lows at this point. But let's see how this 1 hour candle closed. The thing is, this 1 hour candle is extremely bullish. And it's pretty much close back in his range over here, so it could potentially drive up at this point. I think I'm gonna wait for confirmations for this trade. Yeah, definitely gonna wait for confirmations for this trade. Maybe if we break our own low, maybe. But if we start pushing up, taking out these highs, then I'm gonna really anticipate this candle to be a liquidity grab. And then as it retraces, I'm gonna see if I can get an entry based on anticipation. I wouldn't recommend taking any anticipation trades with me on the streams unless you have some confirmations. But this is really based off experience. So. Really want this candle to push up, take liquidity out over here, and when it retraces or when we have any confirmations, I'm really gonna see if we can push sales at that point. Our confirmations is if we start breaking our own law, our own kind of law. It's pushing bullish very nicely right now. Looking at the, trying to see what the forward time frame is doing. Daily. This forward candle is extremely bullish at this point. Yeah, there we go. This is exactly what I wanted to see. This is exactly what I wanted to see. So we can see the price is breaking up in the first few minutes of the hour. So what are the chances this is a liquidity graph for price to potentially drive down a little bit further? So what could happen is we also have the 4 support level, which we almost about to tap right over here at 1766. That's the 4 support level. So at this point, once we have established that we've broken above all these levels over here, almost about to tap into this 4 support level. We can also see that price has created this clean traffic, which we could potentially move down to if we reject. So this cannot close in the next 19 minutes. So now we are now almost approaching the previous 4 candle high, so we could potentially start to see if we could break above the level. Otherwise, if price comes back down towards in this range over here, then I will probably anticipate price to drive down back. But I think it's better we wait for confirmations because yeah, the forward candle is extremely bullish at this point, so we can have volume coming in. Oh, we're actually on London Open now, so this could either be a very big liquidity grab, or we could potentially tap the support level at on the forward time frame to potentially drive a little bit bearish. That's what I'm really anticipating. At this point, we are not in any trades. This is definitely just a liquidity grab coming out. This is why I was very hesitant to enter a trade right over here. Because usually I would have, but I really was anticipating this high to be taken out before we could drive further bearish. I think at this point, I'm gonna wait for the next 30-minute candle. What price is this? Let's just say 40. Okay. This cannot close in the next 60 minutes, so I'm just gonna ascend the need while waiting. Okay, so we have the daily candle starting to flip bullish now. Uh, the forward candle is currently trading above the 4 hour resistance area. That's 1767. I don't really like how this candle is closing right over here. If it closes above 1766 400, I'm not gonna be taking any sales because we're obviously closing above a resistance level. We could potentially have this kind of popping up. This is this right here is the previous daily candle high, so we could potentially have some sort of liquidity grab. Next 30-minute candle popping up. Take these highs out, and then start driving down. That's what I think. Everything's bullish right now. I think we're gonna be focused on the 30-minute time frame. If you close above 1766 400, I'm not touching it. I'm not. I'm really not touching it. I'm gonna be waiting for the next 3-minute candle. So now we have the current candle really closing at 1766 400. Yeah, at this point, I'm not too confident taking any trades at this point. And there we go, pushing up. Okay, there we go. Once we start breaking our own lows, I'm gonna be executing a trade over here. This is gonna be my confirmation. There we go. Just executed a trade. Right there, guys. So, guys, I'm just setting my stop loss. Where's this trade at? 1766.19. Right here. right here. Hi, Shaker. Just fluid, bro. Just fluid. Very, very fluid in the markets. Very, very fluid. See? Super fluid. At this point, we are at break even. And we definitely secured profits 50% at this point. And our stops are at break even. So, Shaker, this is where I fight against the trend. Just secure positions right over there. Right here. This is my overall target. Yep. uh, Still profitable, mate. I think my trading is based on initial pushes. Initial 30-minute push, initial 1 hour candle pushes. Yeah, it could go to my BE, but like I had a massive day. I had a massive session during Asian session. Also another win during London session. So maybe if it comes down to 762.50 right over here, I'm gonna secure some positions. Maybe it's 763. See, look at the trade updates. See, my bias was sell, so I was really sticking to my bias. If you were in the streams, I kind of mentioned like these are pretty risky trades, so I wouldn't recommend anyone taking these trades. I was only taking these trades based on experience. So. How many pips is this? 13 pips. I took gold buys at 762 800. 762. Oh shit. Why did you get kicked out? You moved to break even very quickly. Oh man, come on. Come on, mate. Still okay. At the present 1 hour candle. Yes. Oh well, this candle is coming up and we're really approaching this heavy resistance area over here, so I was just sticking to my buys with sells, to be honest, bro. Due to spreads, you got kicked out. Price never came there. Still okay, bro. Maybe you could wait for this 30-minute candle to close bearish and take a sell. Oh, it's 1 hour candle. Potentially we test the lows. But we're now trading in this range, so I really wouldn't want to be taking any trades in this range. Yeah. I mean, I only see, I only take trades based on initial pushes. Like, if we could push 10 pips, 13 pips, 20 pips, if I could secure at that point, I'm good. Overall, I think gold is going to go bullish, but it's just that, like, the initial move that I took was bearish, so. Like, I don't even think price is going to come down over here at 1759 500. I really don't think price is going to come over here, so I'm really going to be securing a majority of my positions at 1762 500. And then I'll just leave a small, tiny position running. Yeah, bro. You can you can revisit my streams during Asian session. You'll see how I took sells also. We had this minor bullish trend happening over here. I pretty much took a sell somewhere over here and price came down. I think it's just I think it's just being logical with like my stop losses and my risk management. Like I had my stop loss above this candle right over here, and like if price were to push bullish, I really wouldn't want it to exceed this level over here. If it exceeds this previous candle high, then it is what it is. My trade is gonna be invalid. I'm gonna get stopped out. I was really anticipating price to come back down in the range. That's why I had my stop loss in that level, and I just anticipated price to come down. But but pretty much green for the day. Um, I'll be getting out of the streams in the next 20 minutes. This is why I love gold. This is why I did away with GJ. Just stick on gold. Just stick to gold. Pretty much the this since February or January, February, April. Since February or April, I just did away with GJ. All my trades have been on gold because the probability of you catching 10 pips on gold is very high compared to other pairs. To be honest, I mean, especially in a high volume session, man, these candles can really fly at that point.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
It's Ryan on the beat. It's Ryan on the beat.
Raise me on the track. Raise me on the track.
Italian on the beat. Italian on the beat.
Leave me on the track. Leave me on the track.
Ah, man, I won't let you down, I swear.
Shika, you still there? This trade had zero drawdown in it, honestly. Very little drawdown.
Ah, man, I won't let you down, I swear. Ah, man, I won't let you down, I swear.
It's Marine on the beat. It's Marine on the beat.
Raise me on the track. Raise me on the track. Hello?
Oh, there we go. Pushing nicely right now. Pushing very, very nicely. I'm really able to secure positions over here. There we go. To secure more profits over there. And then in the restaurant. Very nice trade. Very, very nice trade. Anyways, guys, pretty much done for today. I'm just gonna let this runner see how far it runs. Hopefully, we can reach target, but otherwise, I'm gonna call it a day over here. Um, thank you, Shaker, for tuning in. Popo, anybody else on the streams? Yeah. Cheers. I'll catch you guys during Asian session tomorrow. So.